It's a tough one. It's a tough one. Yeah, altitude. Yep, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's tough, but yeah, we are doing it. Yeah, Robberg is simply amazing. We're now doing sail watching on top of this cliff up here. Amazing views, absolutely amazing. We're exploring nature. So I'm still watching on top of the Robberg Nature Reserve cliff. Absolutely spectacular views up here. You'll really enjoy it. And 9 kilometers to the lighthouse, another 9 kilometers back to the base. We have reached the tipping point now of the Robberg hiking trail. It's indeed awesome. Yep, wish me luck going back to the base now. Cheers. We made it. We're at the point now. Made it. We're at the point. And it's going to be another 9 kilometers back to the base. So yeah, as always, spectacular views in Robberg Nature Reserve. Very awesome experience, breathtaking. Yeah, wish me luck. Another 9 kilometers. Tough, but we're almost there. It's tough. It's tough, but no problem. We're gonna get there. Rome wasn't built in one day. Slowly but surely. Danko. All right, we are 2 kilometers away. Back to the base. There's some nice little island here. We decided to camp for about 20 minutes just to refresh and load some calories. All I can say is that if you think you're tough, come. Hopefully after loading those calories, I will feel much more better. I am really exhausted, but it was worth it. I'm glad I managed to do it. If I were to be asked if I would do this again, the answer is a big no. Not the 18 kilometers, that is 9 kilometers times 2. I'll probably do the 5K one, which is much shorter and much nicer. Thank you. As I was saying, if you think you are you're the toughest guy in the world, come to Robberg. Robberg Nature Reserve hiking trail will show you flames. Yeah, 2 kilometers away. And my legs and my knees are wiggling. They feel like they cannot carry me anymore. But anyways, after loading those calories, much more better. I'm ready to go to the finish line now. Memories of a lifetime, these ones. Making memories of a lifetime. Hey guys, this is the awesome views of this little island right here in Robberg on your way back from the lighthouse. It's absolutely amazing. Beautiful, breathtaking natural views. Awesome and really nice.